Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, the channel where I simplify communication theories and media concepts. I am Dr. Kemi. Please subscribe, like this video and share. Today's topic is one that every media student should know, and the topic is approaches to understanding the new media. According to Siapera 2018, there are three approaches to understanding the new media, and they include instrumentalism, technological substantivism, also called technological determinism, and the third one is social constructivism. Each of these approaches explores the relationship between technology, media, and society. So let's examine them using real-life examples. The first one, instrumentalism. This approach views technology as a neutral tool that is neither good or bad by itself. What matters is how people use it. According to it, humans control technology, not the other way around. Siapera says instrumentalism views technology as new media tools that are used to achieve goals like communication, learning, and entertainment. Take for example your smartphone. You can use it for study through YouTube, to attend online meetings through Zoom, to share fake news or misinformation. Some people use their smartphone for fraud. In this instance, the phone doesn't decide its use, you do. There are two main theories that explain this idea. The first is the uses and gratification theory. This theory says people actively choose media that meet their needs. For instance, you choose to use TikTok for relaxation, Instagram for fun, and YouTube for study. So you actively choose media to satisfy your certain needs. The second theory is diffusion of innovation theory by Rogers. This theory says people decide how to adopt new technology. Some people adopt them very early, some wait, while some resist them completely. In this instance, people control technology, and technology is just an instrument like your pen, radio, or smartphone. The second approach is technological substantivism, also known as technological determinism. This second approach is the opposite of the first, and it argues that technology is not just a neutral tool. Instead, it has its own power that shapes how people behave and how our society develops. According to Siapera 2018, technology has designs and features, and these determine what people can do with it and what they cannot do with it. Let's take for instance TikTok. The short video format of TikTok and the endless scroll make us crave short, entertaining content. Many people now prefer short video clips as against long lectures or news reports. This is not just our choice, it is the design of the platform. There are many instances where new communication technology has influenced or shaped us in today's world. Take for instance communication. People's communication habit has changed tremendously from face-to-face talk to instant messaging and social media. Technology has birthed the culture of immediacy. People want you to reply to their messages instantly through social media. Also, relationship and dating cultures have changed through platforms like WhatsApp, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Tinder, and many more. How about work pattern? This has shifted. People can check mails from their phone, attend online meetings, respond to calls, and manage an entire business from their mobile phone. These are results of technology. Technology shapes us. It shapes our behavior, it shapes our lifestyle. There are two main theories that support this idea. The first is the McLuhan popular phrase, "The medium is the message." According to McLuhan, the form of media like radio, TV, and social media has greater impact on society than the message that we consume. For instance, social media. Social media itself shapes how we communicate, making it fast, immediate, visual, and interactive. The second theory is Neil Postman theory, titled Technopoly Theory. The Technopoly Theory argues that modern society is ruled by technology, as new tools often take over education, values, cultures, and lifestyle. Think of how many people wake up in the morning and the first thing they do is to check their mobile phone before reading, praying, or greeting someone around them. That is technology shaping behavior. So, technological determinism says that we don't just use technology. Technology uses us in return. The third approach is social constructivism. This approach finds a middle ground. It argues that both society and technology shape each other. Technology shapes society, society shapes technology. It says, yes, technology has features, but how it is used depends on social, cultural, and political factors. Take, for example, WhatsApp. In Nigeria today, many people use WhatsApp for business. They advertise food, clothes, shoes, bag, and many things, anything they want to sell on the platform. In another country, the same WhatsApp might be used solely for chatting with friends. This tells us that technology is not fixed. Society gives meaning to it. There are two theories that explain this idea. The first theory is the social shaping of technology. The social shaping of technology theory says the designs and features, structure, and use of technology depend on people, cultures, and organizations around it. For example, why is mobile banking so popular in Africa, including Nigeria? This is because mobile banking solves local needs like distance from banks and access to cash. The second theory is the actor network theory. The actor network theory argues that humans and technology are part of one big network that influence each other. For example, social media influencers, which are humans, and technology, social media algorithm. Social media influencers and social media algorithm both determine what trends, what become popular online. So these two work together, pushing to people what they discuss and what they attend to on the platform. So social constructivism says that technology and society are partners. They grow together, shape each other, and evolve side by side. So these three approaches, according to Siapera 2018, give us different ways of understanding new technology, either as a driver, as a social product, or as a tool. If you have to choose one approach that best explains how we use media like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or Instagram in today's world, which approach would you choose and why? Do you think technology shapes us the more or we shape technology? Please share in the comment section. I would like to read your perspective. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I am Dr. Kemi. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class right here on YouTube.